The user journeys feature you know and love has been improved with a number of new capabilities. Let's explore these. First of all, we've added new data types that you can use to mark the start and end of a user flow you're building in the platform. Let's build an example user flow. As you can see here, you can now choose from new options of data types to start and stop your user flow. These include things like custom views and user tabs. When choosing the endpoint for your user flow, you'll also see that same list of extended data types. And there you have it, new data types supported to stop and start your user flows. The next update we made is providing support for user flows when building custom metrics in Embrace. As you can see here in the custom metrics list, user flow-based metrics are shown among all the other metrics. You can build a metric around a user flow outcome or duration, and overlay filters as you would any other custom metric. You can also forward your user flow custom metrics to different data destinations, such as Grafana and Chronosphere. We've also made it possible to build custom widgets and dashboards using user flow-based queries. Let's build a line chart widget as an example. When selecting the data source for your widget query, you can now choose User Flows. Select from the various user flow default metrics. In this example, we'll use abandoned percentage. Group by user flow name, outcome, or duration. As you can see, we've now created a custom widget built based on our abandoned user flows. User flows are not just for custom metrics and widgets. You can now build alerts around them as well. When setting up an alert, you can now select user flows as a data source. Pick your user flow metric, such as abandoned percentage or completed percentage. Then set your thresholds and notification parameters as usual, and you'll have built an alert based on user flows. Lastly, Embrace now provides more insight around the reason for a user flow abandonment as a new analysis layer. Looking here at a user flow's detailed view, there's a new Abandon label, which breaks down the reason for flow abandonment. You can see what percentage of abandoned flows were dropped because of an app exit versus a flow timeout versus a new flow starting. You can also utilize Flow Outcome Reason as a filter option when looking at the list of unique user flow instances. Filter by app exit, app timeout, or new flow started as reasons for a flow ending. With this filter applied, you can now isolate only those flows that ended due to a new flow starting. Want to check out these new capabilities for yourself? Start building your own user flows in Embrace today.